Hey guys, check out this deal, man. It's a pretty good deal. I actually bought it in 2017. All right. Um, Guys, you get the impact wrench. I'm still trying to see because it shows it with the battery. Um, Acme Tools sells an NCPO. If it comes with the battery, it's a great deal. I just weight balance 260. It's a little bit big, it's a little bit heavy, but 260 foot pounds, 1650 RPM. Yeah, you do get the battery. All right, so you get the 4 amp hour battery with it. Unfortunately, it doesn't say anything about a charger. This is a lightning deal. All right, so this there's 29% sold. But guys, we talk about it a lot. Get an impact wrench for $100. Uh, with a battery. I got that um, Bauer impact wrench, right? I think it was $79 or $69. That was bare tool. All right. Um, so by the time you buy the battery, 1.5, this comes with a 4, which is good. And you guys who are in this Porter cable platform know how expensive Porter cable batteries are. I have no idea why, but they are. Um, it just doesn't say anything about the charger. I find it weird that they're not including the charger. I wouldn't be surprised if it does come with one. Again, yeah, 114 bare tool is what it is. 100, yeah, one battery. One, yeah, required. It's included. 330 foot pounds, probably nut busting. Yeah, including components. Battery. It doesn't say anything about the charger, guys, unfortunately. So, I don't know. Maybe you could pick one up, or maybe I didn't read it right, or whatever. But $109, save $50. Just throwing it out there. Peace.